Janet's Art. I'm Janet Bester, I'm a South African artist, and welcome to my art studio. So this is what I love to do. I love spending time in my studio. I love creating with bold, bright colors. So I'm really inspired by nature. We go on road trips and I take my camera along. Recently we've been to MacLeod and it's the spring flower season just now, so I really enjoyed the landscapes, the moments that we captured there, that feeling you get sitting there in between all the flowers. So I'm busy with this new series, a floral series. The style is very loose and impressionistic. I like to capture the feeling of the moment, not always realistically, but rather the way I see things, the way I feel. So yeah, my paintings have a lot of emotion in them. They have lots of texture, and I really try to capture that feeling of nostalgia. And I would like to show you how I paint, and also try and inspire someone to also start their art journey. I usually paint with acrylics, but I also experiment with lots of different art supplies and art mediums. So that's the way I learned. I didn't get any formal training. I experimented and I just used what I had, and yeah, it just developed into my own style and my own way of doing things. So I'm not always following all the art rules, you can say, but I do it in my way and I love what I do. So yeah, I do not put a lot of pressure on myself for a specific end result. I just let the painting develop as I go along. So I enjoy what I do, and I hope to inspire you as well to create something through seeing what I do. You are welcome to subscribe. I need subscribers to create content for, so please subscribe so that I can help you also on your art journey.